Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 Cadillac XT4 Luxury featured in stellar black metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power liftgate, backup camera, forward collision alert, Apple Carplay and Android Auto connection, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. Powered windows, powered mirrors, as well as lock and unlock, some storage down below, and the power liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats, here to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left is the power park brake, and here is the steering wheel. To the left, we have our cruise control with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert, and to the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can go ahead and turn the vehicle on. Take a look at our audio first. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here's the navigation. Also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can also throw it in reverse. Take a look at the backup camera. Just below that, we have our climate controls, heated front seats, parking assist, hazards, and lane keep assist. Two USB-C plugins, or two USB plugins with a 12-volt, two cup holders, infotainment system controls. Here's the center console. Popping this open, you have storage up top as well as down below with a 12-volt plug-in. Top is the rear view mirror. Above that, we have the OnStar and SOS with two dome lights, universal garage opener, a place to hold our sunglasses. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Color matched mirror caps and door handles with a chrome accent and keyless entry. Privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back here. We have some more XT4 and Cadillac badging. We can go ahead and double click to open up the power liftgate. Tons of storage space back here. We have lights on either side for visibility, as well as a 12-volt plug-in. We can drop these rear seats down to get a ton of extra storage space, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, cup holder below, and we can take a closer look at the seats. We have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the center, we have our rear vents, as well as rear heated seats and two USBs. To the top left, you'll find handles paired with a dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest, as well as two cup holders. And here's the view. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 Cadillac XT4 Luxury. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.